And obviously Real Madrid being at home.
And a lovely pass into Vinicius, and Mbappe is waiting in the centre. It's a beautiful Real Madrid goal. It's absolutely delicious from Los Blancos. Madrid double their lead with beautiful, intricate football from the halfway line. A lovely bit of skill from Camavinga kept the ball moving. That's 3. And the goals just keep coming in the Champions League. Real Madrid celebrate yet another. And his 3rd goal of the season is the 3rd goal of the night. An important moment for Astaan.
Bellingham, surrounded by blue shirts. Golovin pinches it. Might have been a stray arm there in the face of feed it to Fati, comes to Golovin. Teze, 3-8 this campaign, and they're on the march for another one here, and they're going to get one. Vinicius Junior sees his centre put in by Thilo Kehrer. A bit of miscommunication amongst the Monaco backline, and Real Madrid are the beneficiaries. And it's going to be there is Florentino Perez. Real Madrid have to win to keep pace with the others in. For Monaco start.
Yeah, I was expecting the referee to blow his whistle there, I must say. Yeah, you see him now, he's right centre of the...
Beyond here, trying to make something happen. The first few... I just saw the new head coach of Real Madrid in Alvaro opening night. It's the best run in the competition for 5 years. And this is... Manages to feed it into Valverde, comes back towards Mbappe! Well, that might just quiet some of the noise inside 5 minutes. The former Monaco star, and now Real Madrid star, opens the scoring, and that is why... Looking for the Akliush, Golovin, feinted to shoot, and then does, and it's... Astaan Tuono with the flick on. And it comes to the Bellingham, and he can't quite believe that hasn't gone in. He was all free and preserve his clean sheet. Cheaply to Vinicius Junior, who's eyeing up a goal for himself, and gets it in some style. Well, that's a thumping finish from Vinicius Junior, barking back at the Boo Boys, and putting Real Madrid in firm control. And on
ball in that midfield area, Monaco.
Win tonight, they could go second. Well, that's a poor touch, given away. And they're hungry.